Hello guys, and welcome back to our series. In this video, we are going to do a little cleanup. We will be removing all the sections and pages you don't need for your site visitors to avoid confusion when navigating your site. Let's get started. So scroll through your page. You can start with your home page and see if there are any sections that you don't need. Say for example, I don't need this one. Click on the section that you don't need and hit the delete button. Now, let's talk about how you can delete or hide a page from your site. Go to Pages and Menu on the left and identify the pages that you don't really need. In my case, I'm going to use this as an example. So click on the three dot button next to the page that you don't need and select Delete. A warning pop-up will appear. You have to be sure that you don't need the page anymore before you delete it, because once you delete it, you will not be able to get it back. Once you're sure, click on Delete to confirm. Alternatively, instead of deleting a page, you can hide it instead. Click on the three dot button of the page you want to hide and select Hide from Menu. This will cause it to be hidden from your live site, and your visitors won't be able to access it. You, however, can still access it here on the Wix editor. So repeat the process, go through every page that you have and see if there are any sections you don't need and delete them. Same goes for all the pages you don't need. And that's it for today. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.